This video is going to demonstrate how to properly fill out the Sturgis County Fire Rescue Controlled Substance Drug Log. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have your drugs with you at the time that you are filling out the log and your log. The first step is to find the correct date. So for this case, we're going to use Friday, May the 15th. The next step is you're going to properly fill out the time. The time goes here in this first white box. This is the time you actually start checking off the drugs. So if it's 8:10, you write 8:10. If it's 8 o'clock, you write 8 o'clock. Everything stays on that first white line that you have. You carry 3 fentanyl on your truck. There are 3 fentanyl listed. The first space, the top space, is for the date of the drug. So if the drug expires on 1 June 21, that is what you will write on the date. If the drug expires 7 of 21, that is what you'll write. You'll write exactly what's on the label of the drug. The next box, the below box, is where you're going to write the lot number, and you will write the lot number added as it is on the bottle. Next spot is moving over is for Ativan. You have 2 Ativan on the truck, so you will write the date. So let's say it's 7 of 21, and then you'll write times 2. Below that, you will write the lot number times 2. We carry Versed on the truck. You have 2. There are 3 spots for Versed. You will write the first 2 spots or the second 2 spots. It doesn't matter. And then on the one spot that you do not write anything, you will write NA. It's the same format. The date in the first line here, then the lot number below it. Morphine. We carry 2 morphine. So on the morphine, you'll write the lot number, the date, 7 of 21, if that's the date, times 2, and then the lot number times 2. Ketamine, we only carry 1 ketamine, so you'll just write the date and the lot number on it. You will sign on the ongoing, and the person that you relieved should have already signed off on the offgoing. If for some reason you leave in the middle of your shift and someone comes in at 8 o'clock to relieve you, they will come back to the time spot in the next gray section. They will write the time that they received the drugs and the keys from you at 2000 hours, and then fill out the log completely. Okay? Nothing changes about this log until Sunday. On Sunday, the only thing that changes is at the bottom, there is an officer weekly validation. Okay? It says, is the log complete at the time of validation? The officer reviewing this will go back and make sure for that week that all the time frames have been filled in, all the date and all the lot numbers have been filled in, and the correct number has been filled in. Okay? If it is complete, you'll write yes. If it is not, then you'll write no, or circle no. The count matches the inventory above. The officer will then count the drugs with the medic to verify that the number matches. Okay? Then over here, the officer will print their name and sign their name. If for some reason something is wrong during this officer weekly validation, such as someone forgot to put the time frame in or skipped a section and did not put the drug lot number in, then you will flip over to the next page. All right. Actually, you'll go to the back of the log, and this is for the discrepancy log. You'll write the date, so you'll write the date that you actually did it on Sunday, and you'll write on such and such date, A shift, B shift, paramedic, Jason Morgan forgot to sign time out, right? So you'll write that in the description. We'll verify the narcotic count, which you've already done on Sunday. Then we'll report it over to your direct supervisor. And the actions taken will be to make sure that the person fills out the appropriate log. You'll print your name and you'll sign your name. If for some reason on a call you use a narcotic, you will need to fill out the second page that comes with every login. It has the date, the incident number, which will be the case number or incident number, the medication that you use, such as morphine, okay, the dose that you use, let's say you used 1 milligram, and then the waste that you use, let's say it was 9, all right? The paramedic will print their name, the paramedic will sign their name. Then they must have a witness. The witness can be an EMT, can be another medic, it doesn't matter, there just has to be a witness there. What this witness is doing is they're signing their name and printing their name to show that the above paramedic administered that medication and wasted that medication, okay? Over here, you'll see the replacement date and the CSRF number that will be filled out by the person that is giving you the replacement drugs for the ones that you used. That is it for the controlled substance log. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your appropriate supervisor. Thank you.